tingnan nyo to. Anong masasabi nyo rito? Ito talagang si Robin, no? Alam naman namin yan eh, yung pagiging maka-Duterte mo. Pero yung choice of word mo medyo pangit eh, no? Aso at wala na kayong magagawa. Well, hindi naman namin pinupush eh, no? Bilang ordinaryong Pilipino na pumanig ka, okay? Sa bansa. Kahit na yan ang basic responsibility mo as a senator. And actually, marami naman kayo dyan, no? Many of you, okay, mga DDS senators, you know your basic responsibility according to the Constitution. But then, you just ignore, no? Yung responsibility na yon, yung pagiging senador, no, para sa buong bansa at hindi sa isang tao lang. Ang kaibahan lang sa'yo, Robin Padilla, I think you don't know, no, your basic responsibility. Okay? You just don't know that the Constitution mandates you, okay, to become a senator, to perform as a senator of the country. At hindi sa isang political figure lang. Yan, yan ang lumalabas, no, sa iyo. At nakikita namin, no, bilang mga ordinaryong Pilipino. Well, wag ka mag-alala, no? We don't push you to become a senator of the whole country. Kung yan ang desisyon mo, at yan ang moral compass mo, no? If that is a moral compass that we can call, nasa sa'yo yan. Wala kaming pakialam dyan.